Assalamu alaikum students, this is Maria Naseem from Meme Grammar School, and today's our topic is managing a document, page number 70, chapter number 3, office automation. So let's just discuss about managing a document. The first topic is creating a new document, how you can create a new document. I'll be showing you a practical link for this also. Let's just discuss from the book. Basically, what is the process you have to follow? You can see, click the file tab. This is the file tab. Go to the new button and then click on the blank document. You can see over here also, select the blank document which is below available templates. User can also start a new document by selecting a template. Click create a new blank document will appear. Another way to start a new blank document is press Ctrl plus N. If you are already in a document, just press Ctrl plus N. Means keep pressing the Control key while pressing the N key. I guess all of you are familiar with the Ctrl plus N function. That means you have to keep the both button pressed to complete this task. Then that was the basically process of creating a new document. Then opening a document, click on the file tab again. Over here you can see file tab. Click on the open button. Once you are done with the open button, you can see this window will appear. Now you can see here is two documents, attendance sheet, class test solution. So whichever file you want to open, just click on that file and then click on the open button, or you can just double click on that file. Okay, it will be open. Click open the dialog box, select the document. These are all the steps I have already told you. Saving a document. Now how you can save the document? Again, file tab, save or save as. Save means if the file is already saved, you will just click on the save button, and if you want to save the new file, you will click on save as button. Then you have to see that where you want to save the file. Select the folder where the document is to be saved as shown in the figure. I'll be showing you. Give a file name to your document, and let me just show you from here also. File tab, you can see file, save. If the file is already saved, you have done just amendments, so you have to click on the save button, and if it is a new file, then you have to click on a save as button. Then you can see this window. Write a name over here. Select the location from here. For example, you want to save on a desktop or documents or somewhere else, just select the location from here. Write a name here. You don't need to change this extension. This is a Word document extension. You cannot change it. If you will change it, the file will save in another format. Then just click on the save button. Your file will be saved. And simply, if the file is reopened by you, just click on this icon from the quick access toolbar. It will be saved. So you can see over here, save as option is used when changes have been made in existing file and the user wants to save the new version of the document with a different file name. Another way to save a document is click the save icon on a quick access toolbar and give the new document file name, as I have just told you before. Then we have printing a document. Simply go to the file tab. You can see file tab. Go to the print option and select the page range you want to print. And then you can print the document by just clicking on the print button. Now they have said the same thing over here. Save as option is used when changes have been made in existing file and user wants to save the new version of the document with a different file name. Another way to save a document is click the save icon on a quick access toolbar and give the new document a file name. Then how to print a new document or printing a document. The following are the steps to print a document. Click on the file tab. Go to the file tab. Click on the print button. Then you can see this menu. Here are a number of pages, print which side, and then just click on the print button by your selection. So this was our topic of managing a document, and here we have discussed how to create a new document using shortcut method is also one of the most simplest way of creating a new document. You just click on the Word icon on the desktop. I'll be showing you in the link also how you can open a document using a shortcut. And in this I would like to just discuss with you about some short keys also. Short key of a new document is already given, Ctrl plus N. Opening short key for opening a new document is a Ctrl plus O. You can write over here with your document Ctrl plus O. That is a short key for opening a new document. Then we have a saving a document. The shortcut for saving a document is Control plus S. It is not about small s or capital S. Just click Control button as well as S button together to save a file. And if you want to save a file with the new name, then you have to click on a Save As button. So that was the shortcut for saving a file. For printing a document, we have a short key Control plus P. P for print. Control plus P means this is used for printing a document. When you will click on this, you can see this window. It will be open, then you can do the selection, select the pages, odd or even, then just click on the number of copies and select the print button. Okay students, so we are done with the topic managing a document, and that is how you just simply manage your document, by how to open, how to create a new document, how to save a document, how to take a print out of a document. That comes under your managing a document file. Our next topic is inserting and editing text in a Word document. So page number 73 is our next topic. I'll be showing you a link for this practical also.